Guru Nanak was a great religious originator and founder of Sikhism. According to the Nanak Shahi calendar, the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is celebrated in April, but normally his birth anniversary is on 4th of November. Nanak incorporated the goodness of both Hindu and Islam in Sikhism. However, Sikhism is not merely a compilation of Hinduism and Islam. Guru Nanak was a fundamental spiritual thinker. He presented his ideas in a special poetic style. The same style can also be seen in Sikh scripture Guru Granth Sahib. Not many people know about Guru Nanak's life. However, there is a lot of information in Sikh traditions and birth records. Important teachings of Guru Nanak have also reached us through birth dates. Balak Nanak was born 64 km from Lahore in 1469. It is told in Sikh traditions that Nanak's birth and early years are special in many ways. It is said that God inspired Nanak to do something different. Nanak was born into a Hindu family, but he soon began to study Islam and Hinduism in a comprehensive way. As a result of this, Nanak had an amazing ability of being a poet and philosophy in his childhood. There's a famous story about Guru Nanak that he became a rebel at the age of just 11. At this age, Hindu boys actually start wearing holy janeu, but Guru Nanak refused to wear it. He said that people should increase their personal qualities as compared to wearing janeu. Nanak continued to draw a rebellious spiritual line. He started questioning local sadhus and Maulavis. He was questioning Hindus and Muslims alike. Nanak's emphasis was on the internal change. He did not like the outside appearance. Guru Nanak also worked as a scribe for some time, but at a young age he devoted himself to the study of spiritual matters. Nanak was very much influenced by spiritual experience and he used to seek God in nature itself. Nanak said that it is only through contemplation that the path of spirituality can be increased. He believed that only through his lifestyle can every human see God within himself. In 1496, Nanak was married. He also had a family. Nanak embarked on a spiritual journey from India, Tibet, Arabia, and this journey lasted for 30 years. During this time, Nanak studied a lot and argued with educated people. In this sequence, Nanak shaped the path of Sikhism and established spirituality for a good life. Guru Nanak Dev Ji spent his last life in Kartarpur Sahib in Punjab. It was here that he attracted a large number of followers from his teachings. The most important message of Guru Nanak was God is one and every human being reach God directly. No custom or priest or salary is needed for this. Guru Nanak Dev Ji ended the most revolutionary reform, caste system. He established this thing prominently that every person is one, irrespective of caste or gender. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.